If you are looking to replace damaged roof shingles, there are 8 main steps that should be followed to do the job and have it done correctly. Purchase new shingles. Shingles come in a wide variety of colors, thicknesses, materials, and styles. Organize and set up materials. Having the proper materials available and ready to use when needed is a vital step in the process. Getting to know the shingles. Depending upon the shingle materials used and how they were originally installed, a repair can need to be done differently from one home to another. Remove nails from damaged shingles. It's important to remove old nails prior to installing the new ones. Remove shingle. Remove old shingle material, making sure to dispose of them properly. Lay the new shingle. Utilize the tar. Tar is a durable, waterproofing material that is often used as a sealer. And examine your work. It's best to monitor the area to make sure the original problem is indeed corrected.